What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. This is for beginners, but also you may just not know how to do this, so I'm going to teach you. Today we want to learn how to isolate a color inside of Premiere Pro, turn everything else black and white, and in this case make a red lips of a woman red, and the rest of the footage black and white, right? How do we do that? I mean, you can do this with any color, it doesn't matter. It's really simple, really easy to do. So let's start from scratch. Okay, here's the original clip. And we want to do this fast. I'm not here to mask out some lips, which would be the perfect way to do it, to make it absolutely perfect. We're not going to do that. We want to do quick and dirty. Quick and dirty, baby. Let's get it done. So let's go to the Lumetri Color panel. So Window and Lumetri Color. If you know me, I always go through Window to find stuff. It teaches people how to do it. Obviously, Lumetri Color's over here, but that's what we want to find. So in Lumetri Color, we want to drop down on curves right here. And we see RGB curves, hue saturation curves, and hue versus hue. We're going to work in the hue saturation curves. So what we want to do is isolate red in this case. So we're going to click about right here, isolate red, click about right here, click about right here to create basically keyframes we can manipulate. So if I drag this down to nothing and drag this down to nothing, it's desaturating everything that is not this color. As you can see, that's how you do that. Now, this is not perfect. It looks good. It doesn't look bad, but you can see her tongue here is a little bit like red inside. If we hit play, I mean, you probably wouldn't notice it too bad with motion blur and stuff, but it works well. Skin tones are not red, so we can isolate those pretty well. And from here, you can see that it's just red, and yeah, her tongue there is kind of messed up. I think at a final edit, I would mask out the inside of her mouth to get rid of this to fix it. But otherwise, I mean, it does a jam up job really quick and dirty. As you can see, this was super fast. We've only been here for 2 minutes or so, and that's how you do it. So that is how you isolate a color inside of Premiere Pro on your footage. You can do any color you want by using the hue versus saturation curves. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.